Welcome to my channel. My name is Silenthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I'm Cassie J Budgets and Blogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Also, for the month of August, I did join a collaboration of ladies where we are supporting each other's YouTube channels. I will link them as well. Happy Friday. I've got some freebies in my rotation, and once I get to those freebies, I will let you know which ones are freebies. I did decide, since I completed my Bohemian Savings Challenge on Wednesday, yay, go me, because I need those funds. I'm going to start another savings challenge setup, and I hope all goes well. I am a little bit nervous because I feel like it is a lot more than I am typically used to taking on. But I'm going to do it because I think it's worth saving in the long run. Okay. Let's get to it. We are going to work on we need change. We need to work on getting change. And I remember the Librarian set, I believe. Yes, the Librarian set had some change. So let me grab some change. I'm going to try to speed through this once again because I think this part can be really boring. I feel like that can get us started. We're going to start with our Happy Birthday Queen. It is a savings challenge I purchased from I Am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. And I think what we'll do is roll one dice because I don't want to confuse myself. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And each one of my circles are valued at $2. 2. All right, and should we stop there? Yes. One more video that we will be, whatever I save is what I save. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's take 5. I'm not certain that's necessary, but in total, this savings challenge has 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, $47. Yay! Okay, I love it. That's wonderful. I'm glad to see this progress. We have one more time to stuff the savings challenge, and that's it. Whatever it gets because it is going to be going to my weekly expenses that I need coming up very soon. All right, and next up, we've completed our Bohemian Savings Challenge. Let's pull out Batty Bankroll. This is a savings challenge that I was gifted. It is $3 in her Ko-Fi shop, though. It's a yearly savings challenge with monthly savings challenges. So I think what we'll do, because I don't have a lot of cash, I think what we'll work on is, says 8, so we'll do half, which is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the next time we come together, which will be Sunday, hopefully I'll be able to put $4 in there. And then we have a few more Sundays to get through this, but I'm hoping to maybe be able to come up with the money. You know, people give you money for your birthday, so I think I'll be able to just at least put a couple bucks. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, $23. That is fantastic progress. Okay, so last video, which was Wednesday's video, we actually completed our February savings. I don't think we're going to move on to March today, just because I only had $35 to work with, which only $35, that's not what I mean, but in this sense where I have a lot of savings challenges I'm working on, some of which I really need to just focus on and try to get completed, but this Librarian set is in S&C Budget Creations, and let's see, what are we going to do? Should we just put $5? Let's put $5. I'm not even going to count the ones because we'll get those into my other savings challenge. All right, $5. So this set actually has 6 envelopes. I only have 5 in here, but like this first one is 100, second one 200, and then so on and so forth. I know that my budget is not going to allow for me to stuff that kind of money at this point in my journey. But I do know that I do want to still have these savings challenges and do them. So I'm going to use the sum method. I found that really works well for me. $20, $40, $45 is what I have saved so far. And the goal for this envelope is $100. So, oh, my kitty's at the door. He's fussing. All right, and so my newest addition, I decided I wanted to have a binder of savings challenges, low amounts, and you will see a theme. These are all faith-based savings challenges. Now I have to figure out, because there are so many, do I want to do them all at once? Let's reevaluate. I think what I'll do is I will start with the first 6 here. Then we will move on to the next 6 savings challenges. All of these savings challenges that you're seeing right here are from Black Canyon Custom Creations, and they were all freebies. So if you're interested, I will be sure to link her channel down below. We're going to roll the dice and see which savings challenge is going to get $2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is how we're doing this. 5. Oh, that's weird. Getting it, counting this way is weird. And because these are such low amounts, I'm hoping that I can complete a couple of them by the time that I need to pull some money. And I know you guys are thinking, just put the money aside and use it when you're ready. But savers know that in order to hold on to money, you need to save it the way that your brain says, yes, we are enjoying saving. Some people have the discipline, and I'm not some people. I'm not. I already know that. Let me grab a paper clip for a moment. What I want to do is I want to put these savings challenges back into my binder, but I want to make sure that I know these are not the ones I'm working on, but these are. And they have very pretty quotes on some of them. And I really think they're very inspiring. So it was another reason to stay motivated. I needed to have something, do something, Silenthia. And since I finished my Bohemian Savings Challenge, I figured let's get it done. All right, so this savings challenge, $1, $2, $3, $4 is what we're giving it today. All right, I grabbed some more markers just because I feel like I want these to, because they're all black and white, we can add a little color. And each one of my symbols are $1. Did I say 4? Yes. 1, 2, 3. Oh, let's see. 4. All right, so we're adding that $4. Sorry about the interruption. And perfect. All right, let's see here. This savings challenge, we're adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, that one's kind of. All right, perfect. All right, we're going to add this $6 to this savings challenge. Hopefully that ink is dry. All right. Next up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6 to this savings challenge. And let's see here. Perfect. See if it's dry here. I can't tell if it's dry. One more here. Okay. I'm so glad I decided to do these. I'm hoping to get some small victories along the way, quick wins. Like I said, I need the money. But if it's in my purse, I know I'm going to spend it. If I lock it away in my safe to save for later, then I typically do really well with not touching it. But in terms of, oh, I'm going to use it for spending anyway, here we are, $1, $2, $3, $4. Look at us go. So now that we've added these savings challenges to our rotation, we should be seeing these for the rest of August at least. And then we'll figure out what we're going to do from there. And I will link Black Canyon Custom Creations down below. That way you can check out these goodies. There's more than just these items in her shop, or in her Ko-Fi. I believe that's where I got them from. And you can see on the back how much I'm anticipating saving. But I will pull the cash for my unstuffing if I need to. So there's that. All right, so we'll work on these. And there are a few other savings challenges from another creator, but we won't go through that at this point. All right, so we worked on our savings challenge book that we've introduced today. So proud of the progress already being made. I think I was a little bit nervous about trying to add in something else, but with these small numbers, small wins can come along very quickly. So yeah, I'm grateful for these savings challenges. We did put a little something into our baddie bankroll. That has been very important for me. Also, our Happy Birthday Queen savings challenge, and lastly, our Everything Beachy. So, oh, and our Librarian. We did put a little something to our Librarian set, didn't we? Yes, I was thinking we didn't, but we did. It was the Bohemian. We finished on Wednesday. So, all right. Yeah, we will come back together. I will see you guys on Sunday. I do need to do my weekly expense cash stuffing, as well as try to get as many of these savings challenges completed or done or whatever I can do, so that way I can do a cash unstuffing and see how much I have for my expenses and what I need to do to try to figure out going forward my game plan for the next couple of weeks, since I did decide I'm taking some time. But that's it for now, guys. All the money's gone out of the tray. I want to thank you all so much for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.